Hello, I am back with a new video. Hope you guys are doing well. So, today, our topic is hide and show website header with scroll. It is extremely easy and very useful. The code will be available in the description. Basically, how it is going to work is, if we scroll down, the header will hide, and as soon as we scroll up, the header is going to show up. Just like that. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. We have so many interesting topics upcoming, so stay tuned. At first, let's delete this header and quickly create a new one, and then we will apply code which is going to be available in the description. This is the code we are going to use, and you will find this code in the description. We can copy the CSS ID from here and apply it in the Advanced tab of the mother container of the header. You can place the HTML widget anywhere within the header. Simply copy the code from here and paste it in the HTML widget. See, it's working already. We need to add a background color. Do some adjustments according to your header's height, and we are ready to go. I hope you will find this video helpful. To show your support for these kind of contents, please hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you so much for watching this video.